Yo, today I'm going to talk about CaramelSwap. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. You hold MEL to access the best pools. This new modality of form allows the biggest incentives to have bigger gains. Their website is CaramelSwap.finance. Check out the Twitter page. Hello, Mr. Nike. All right. CaramelSwap. It's, like I say, it's similar to Pancakeswap, but it's new. So I would say, invest a couple dollars in here and start using the exchange so it gets more traffic, and then the coin price will go up just because of that. Let's see what we have here. CaramelSwap farms and staking. Earn up to 27.98% APR in farms. Earn caramel in pools. Let's see. The total caramel supply is 6 million, right? Now, total supply is 6 million. And then we're going to go to CoinMarketCap. Right now, price is 29 cents for CaramelSwap, MEL. So that means that right now it has about $2 to $3 million market cap. It says they had no pre-sale. It was a fair lot of access to pools with the highest APR. All right, there we go. And that's the Binance Smart Chain contract there. So you guys can click on that, copy and paste it, and buy some CaramelSwaps. Let's see what we have here. Check out farms. All right, if you farm Caramel BNB liquidity pair, you'll earn an APR 700%. Caramel cake, you can see, caramel dye is 1,000%. Woo. Caramel BUSD 900%. It goes down the more liquidity that pair has. So but like I say, this is a new token, so it's best to get in now. Cake and Doge. I don't want any Doge though. I don't really like Doge. But anyway, Cake and Doge is 14,000% APR right now, so that's good to get into. USD BUSD. That's a good one. 300%. Wow. DOT and BNB 700%. I might check this one out, guys, later on. But if you're on research, I would say invest in it, hold it, and earn some passive income. And that is it, guys. I'm gonna holler at you guys later.